What did we get ourselves into? Oh no! Guys, as this title says, we made a purchase. I was actually out looking for a daily because I'm sick of driving the F6 so much, but being me, being that I love VZs, I found a project and we got the key right here. It is a VZ SS Thunder, and this is it right here, guys. It's legitimately bunky spec. Like, the tires are bald, headlights are yellow as, paint's just forget about it. But it's a VZ SS Thunder. It had the red leather interior, the red gauge cluster. It is the slush box, unfortunately. But at this price, cheapest in the country, like, beggars can't be choosers. But I'll pop the bonnet. We'll show you guys the goods because it's got 230,000 Ks on it. But, you know, LS the world, eh? These are the LS fans. That should be nothing for one of these. And there it is, man. It's got extractors. It's got an exhaust system, OTR. And apart from that, it's basically stock. So I'm pretty suspected that it has had some little tune on it. The gearbox feels like it's got a tune as well. It's a bit kicky, but new battery, new water pump, new alternator. Runs every time. Engine sounds pretty mint. Goes pretty hard. Let's fire it up because I want to hear it. I'll let you guys hear. Have a listen to this. Bloody LS life, mate. Hey, that is why I had to get an LS, man. And it sounds pretty fat, considering. It's like a dual exhaust system. I don't know what brand it is. I got no idea, but it does sound pretty good. Yeah, she's beat up. Scratched up, but we're gonna give it some love. We're gonna fix it up a bit. Hopefully do a little bit of a series of fixing it, similar to the F6. But yeah, if you guys are gonna enjoy this content, subscribe, like the video, comment, did I make a good buy? You can have a look on the inside too. She is rough, but boys, it's not gonna take that much. You know, we might retrim the seats, roof lining, redo the steering wheel, put a B&M quick shift in it, give it a good clean. That's basically it. Obviously, we got to get it to a mechanic, make sure it's all sound, but she's purring. She is purring.
Quiet. It's a quiet LS.
It is quiet. It's not that loud. I didn't notice any like major ticking. No lifter tick from what I could hear. I'm not an LS expert yet, but it seemed like a pretty good motor. 230,000 Ks, but
Just broken in.
yeah, it's broken in, man. I've seen LS's 300 plus, so should be a good project. But for now, let's just go for a quick drive. Now, just before we continue with the VZ reveal, guys, we have been sponsored by Viafo dash cams. They hooked us up. This is the 4K model A229 Pro, and this thing is the bee's dick, honestly. It's so good, in fact, I didn't give this one away. I put it in my F6. It's right here, and it's fantastic. Like, it's got a camera for inside the car, in the front of the car, and the back. So you've got 3 cameras in this thing. It's 4K quality. Me and the kids, it even records sounds. It records us jamming out, me and the kids in the back. It's a blast. I love pulling the SD card out, having to look sometimes at what we've been doing, what we've been driving. It's a lot of fun, and honestly, I think I'm gonna have to get them to send me another one, or I might just buy one because honestly, it is good for the VZ. I'm gonna need one. So, guys, support them down below. Click the link, buy a dash cam. We need as many sponsors as we can with this VZ build now. So, huge thanks to Viafo. Let's go for a drive in that VZ. In the U, boys. That's pretty good. Yeah, she likes to get up in the rev range, that's for sure.
That's
It definitely likes it, man. It's yeah. When you're driving this thing casually, you don't really like it, eh? It's all or nothing with the box, anyways. Man, it's smooth when you give it to it, though, isn't it? But when you're in drive, man, it gives you a kick. So yeah, maybe a shift kit's been done in this or something, but she sounds alright, eh?
I would say so. It isn't much of a gamble, to be honest.
I feel like this is I don't know, for the price, man. Like, again, guys, we paid $7 grand for this thing, so I feel like that's a cheap price. It's definitely got a bit of TLC needed, but it's a few little rattles around the joint. But I mean, on the freeway, I drove this thing up just now, like 45 Ks, and
she'll go to Albany and back.
Man, it was actually really smooth. It needs a wheel alignment pretty bad. Needs aircon, needs to be regassed, but indicators, yeah, we're gonna get rid of the tail lights, but for 7K, okay, I think it's a win. And man, we can have the interior looking $1 million in no time. Probably try and wrap this thing in future, I guess. Paint's pretty bad, but yeah, I'm imagining some sort of a yellow wrap.
Hey,
yeah.
Throwback to the XR8.
Yellow wrap, back to the XR8 days, guys, and a shift kit in here with a ratchet shifter and walkies. Definitely getting some walkies on this, man. And
yes, cam.
Big cam. That'll be it. You know, if I can get this thing cammed with some walkies, get everything just driving nicely, that's, yeah. Get a quick shift in it. Man, it's going to be tough. Two tough cars. Everybody knows on the channel, VZ is my all-time favorite Aussie car shape. Obviously, it's not an HSV here, but it is HSVI. We found out. So it's like, because it's a Thunder, you know, they put some like enhanced pack on it with the red leather seats, things like that. But yeah, it's not bad. It idles perfectly nicely. Like, it's on the freeway, it was just cruising. It's just a bit aggressive on the shifts. You got to go all or nothing, but you gotta send it. When you're in a ute like this, you kind of gotta send it anyways, don't you? Really? So. Yeah, she probably needs a bit of a love. She needs a little tune, but it doesn't go that fast. But it sounds good.
Makes some good noises.
It definitely sounds mint. Wow. Yep. She's solid, isn't it?
Fucking flew out, bro.
Oh, Jesus.
It just feels like it's got like a shift kit or something already.
Yeah, it's aggressive.
Like
it's aggressive though. It doesn't feel broken. It just feels aggressive.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, geez, this thing's low.
Yeah.
Fucking. Really beach out on here. Oh no, little touch.
Little scrape.
Like, it goes alright.
That sounds good.
Does sound pretty good.
It doesn't go anywhere, but
no, it's not that quick, but it's got a good noise.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Chirps in a second.
Okay, hell, man. Yeah, it's
This thing does sound good for sure. Definitely. I don't think you need any more exhaust ports.
Nah, I mean, you know, I'd love a cam, baby, but
yeah,
I just wanted to be a ratchet shifter.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just got to obviously suss out what can be done. I don't like it that aggressive, but you know,
missing those rev match.
That's it. It doesn't do that. Where we want to go?
When you got the revs up, I'm gonna stop.
It goes.
It goes, definitely. And it's quite a smooth shift.
Actually, it's not bad when you do it that way.
I think
It's like it's
tuned to be tuned to
tuned
shifting,
to be
like,
to going quick,
fast,
going
yeah.
hard.
That's what makes me think it's got a shift kit or something.
Yeah, it
Like
definitely might.
When you're fucking
Because when you're just casually driving, it is quite aggressive.
Put in second.
You can feel like
Yeah.
it definitely hits you in the back.
But when you're going, it's super smooth.
Yeah, that was pretty smooth when you were like full sending it.
Yeah.
Indicators, you gotta
fucking
manual indicate up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, it actually is smooth when you do it that way, isn't it? It just demands a full send every
made for
time.
the full send, bro. You were just not giving it the beam.
I was cruising it, yeah, I was.
It
Man,
ain't made for that.
no. V8 life now, man.
Yeah, that's it.
Full send life.
That's it.
Hell yeah.
Bro, the sound just puts a smile on your face. doesn't it?
It is, yeah, it's good.
Oh,
She's rough. She needs
come on.
she needs a lot of stuff, but
The main thing's what's on
main
the
thing is that it's a V8 up front.
Yeah.
Sounds good,
Yep.
and I don't think the gearbox.
It's not broken.
I don't think it's broken.
I think it's shift kitted.
Yeah,
it shifts
I've just got to get it to a mechanic to suss that out. But yeah,
It shifts mint at low.
Wait, yeah, when you're giving it, it was a little backfire there.
Oh.
But it probably could do with a service maybe. But
I'm angry.
bro, we're waking up the locals, eh?
Yeah.
Belmont Hood. That's why we need imagine this though with a good ratchet shifter where you can just bang it up and down. Like
Yeah.
it'd be a lot better.
Oh, maybe. Oh.
It goes out sideways, bro. Get out,
Yeah, bro.
man.
Yeah. Loves it.
Well, we have absolutely no tread on these, so
Oh, true.
it's
That makes sense.
these tires are shot, bro. Bloody hell, that's like, mate.